students. Today in this video number 6, we will see the exercises of this chapter, and here I will explain you only short answer in the board and long answers I will hint you in the book, and you will write yourself because it is the 10th class and we have to learn more and more. Okay, students, let us see the exercises. So let us see the first multiple choice question. See here, largest producer of rubber in India, that is Kerala. Blue revolution is related to fish production. Which of the following is not a type of iron ore? So I have told you already that there is a bauxite, and remaining of 3 they are iron ore. Here, Madhya Pradesh ranked first in production of which of the following minerals? So there is a diamond, in Panna. See, then fill in the blank. Yellow revolution is related to edible oil and oil seeds. Okay, we can't eat all type of oil, so there is a oil seeds only, but both it is compulsory, edible oil and oil seed. Now, white revolution propagated, so there is a milk production. Okay, white, I have told you white means milk. Then see here, dash state has highest yield per hectare of wheat. Yield means production, so there is a Uttar Pradesh. Then dash state of dash state of India ranked first in production of soybean, so there is a Madhya Pradesh, our state. Then match the column. It is given in the book. When you will see, first I have told you first rank of the states. So maize Karnataka, first number in production. Tea Assam, cotton Gujarat, rice, wheat and tobacco, there is a Andhra Pradesh. And very short type of answers I will give you in board. Okay, so let us see in the board. Here in the first question is saying in a short answer, means short question, what are food crops and differentiate between kharif and rabi crops. So see here, you will see first answer number 1, food crops. So there is a definition. Food crops are the crops which are the main components of our food. Okay, whatever we eat, the food, there are main components. Example, rice, wheat, maize, bajra, gram, etc. There are many crops. Okay, then differentiate between kharif and rabi crops. So there are point by point, as you know, the system method. See, first point, the crops are shown in the beginning of rainy season. Here rainy season, beginning of rainy season. Here this crop, the crops are shown in the beginning of winter season. So here is the rainy season and there is a winter season. Differentiate. These crops take less time to dry. Dry means pakna. The फसल पकती है काटने के पहले. So these crops take less time to dry, and these crops take more time to dry. Then third point, these crops are harvested in September, October. Timing of harvesting September, October, and there is time March and April. So whatever you write, it should be clear. Difference, it should be clear. Example is here 3 point is sufficient because it is short answer. If you want, you can write examples also. Example given here. Okay. Let's see the next question. Second question. There is a question is saying what do you mean by green revolution? Green revolution here. Green revolution is uses of high yielding seeds, chemical fertilizers, new means of irrigation and other new technologies in agriculture to rapid increase the agricultural products. Rapid means very fast. Rapid means very fast. Here, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh are leading states in green revolution. So it is second number answer. It is in short. Okay, so no need to write extra. It is sufficient. Now see answer number 3. There is asking difference between white revolution and yellow revolution. White and yellow revolution. So see here, there are only 2 points. It is enough. It is closely related to animal rearing, milk. Milk means all animals milk, all type of animals milk. Then here it is closely related to oil seed. Then it increased milk production with the help of dairy development program. Dairy means other milk product. Suppose that chocolate, ice creams, okay, paneer, butter, etc. Then here it increased production in crops for edible oil and other oil seed. Okay, whatever we use the refined oil, different type of other oil. Okay, so it is the just result of yellow revolution. Students, let us see the next question number 4 and question number 5. So see your answer. Answer number 4. 4 is saying name any 2 medicinal plants and write their uses. So here 2 medicinal plants, ashwagandha and tulsi. Uses here I am not writing. I am giving you for homework to you. So in page number 28 and 29 in the book it is given. So you read ashwagandha and tulsi and write the uses. Only two uses of each. Okay. Let us see the answer number 5. Question is saying state the main provision of horticultural development program. So see here, horticultural development program. It was started in 2005 by central government of India, including following points. See, first point here, 3 points is enough. 3 points are enough. See, first to establish a ban for plant cutting and increase quality of plant for commercial purpose. Commercial means for selling. Okay. See, second purpose for testing soil, because due to the quality of soil it differ plant. Okay. Then leaves also. What is the quality of leaves? According to their soil, nutrients, other climatic features. Increase laboratories, nurseries. Nursery means where we keep small plants for plantation. And green houses. Okay, here consider houses. Then third point is to produce high quality horticultural crops for export for other country. So first you should know the horticulture. Horticulture means you have seen in your previous classes all type of vegetables, that is part of horticulture. Okay, so it is. Let us see the next question. Question number 6. It is saying what is the importance of minerals? Importance of minerals. Here definition I have given you. So you will write first definition, then importance. Importance, there are 3 importance. Here I am giving you as answer. First, minerals are the basis of basis of modern industrial development. Okay, so for example, iron and coal. So iron is also important for modern industry. Without iron, you can't imagine our modern industry. And coal is also important for energy. So it is the importance. Then all industrial machineries are there. All industrial machinery and here not are, there is a and, their parts are produced, are the product of mineral substance. Machinery and their parts are the means made up of mineral substance. Then everything that we use in our daily life is directly or indirectly related to minerals. Then answer number 7. The question is saying what are the different type of metallic minerals? So here it is asking only metallic. So metallic minerals. Here I am giving you some difference. Minerals which contain metals in sufficient quantity or quality. Sufficient quality. It's two types there are, ferrous and non-ferrous. I have explained you already. Ferrous means metal which contain magnet, means attract magnet. See, iron ore, manganese, bromide, etc. Then they are given non-ferrous, gold, silver, copper, lead, and zinc, etc. Students, let us see the last question of short type of questions. Here given 7. Question number 7. Here is asking what is the importance of iron. Importance of iron. See here, small or large objects used in daily life are made up of iron. Means whatever we use the things in our daily life, maximum are made up of iron. Domestic utensils, machineries, or considered utensils, or other tools, car, etc. Given means there are many examples you can write as you use in daily life. Then second point, iron is used in construction of house, building industries, etc. Means iron is also important for construction. Then iron has a great contribution in fulfilling the daily requirement and making the life luxurious. Making the life luxurious. Okay. Then hence iron is the backbone of industries and modern life. So it is a short answer, and there is a remaining of long answers. So we will see in the book because it is very important to learn. So maximum things are given in the book. So it is for your concept as well. As you learn long concepts, it will be beneficial for you for the exam purpose. So you will see in the book